You want to clean off your hands? Just go like this on your sweatshirt. Okay.
Monkey bars. That one monkey bars.
Come down these bars. Good job. Herky, there's the little house.
In the house, Mommy.
Okay.
In my house.
Where's the dinosaurs at?
Right there.
Blue dinosaur, green dinosaur. Can you count the dinosaurs?
One. Just the one. Two. One.
Can you count to 10?
No. I'll try.
Do you want to go on your potty tonight?
No.
You want to go pee pee on your potty tonight?
No.
I'll give you a sticker. I'll give you some gummy vitamins. Oh, it's okay. It's just dirt. Hercules, go say hi to the dinosaur.
Mommy.
The ducks are over there, sweetie.
I see the ducks.
I don't see Mommy.
You want to go see the ducks? We got we got to walk around this way to see the ducks.
No.
You go out this way, over here.
Here.
Follow Mommy.
Go. Here, go. Go that way. Quackers.
You want to see the quackers?
Oh, got the quackers.
Oh, we don't have crackers for the ducks today, but we can go see them. This way, Herky.
Ooh! Oh, my eyes! Oh, my eyes!
The sun?
My eyes! My eyes!
Do you want your sunglasses?
Okay. Enough good.
Here, now we're not in the sun. Ah, here they are. Over here.
Over here. Over here. Yes. Oh, gone. More crackers.
Mommy doesn't have any crackers. We'll have to bring them next time. You say hi to the duckies?
I've got little giant. These are duckies.